Hi guys, good morning. We're about to have our early lunch and late breakfast. So we managed to fast how many hours today? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 17 hours guys today. So we managed to fast 17 hours. So our food loaded with vegetables, baby spinach, kale, and pak choy, and with a little bit of noodles, no? So straight to the bowl, and let's eat. It's our lunch today, huh? It's raining today at medyo malamig, kaya perfect yung sabaw, no? So malamig. So hopefully tomorrow it's not going to be bad like today. So that way we can able to do walking tomorrow. Long walking, no? With the pram. Ayan na guys. Let's eat. Yung ating food. Yung ating breakfast, lunch, at saka dinner na, no? Let's eat, everyone. Pag weekend talaga. Yes, my love. So, after nito, magpa-plancha ng mga uniform si mami, no? Pag weekend, pahinga talaga ang mami, no? Saturday, Sunday, walang running. Kasi dapat 2 days talaga ng resting, walang running, no? Kunting stretching lang at kunting workout sa bahay, no? Pero pag weekdays, yun talagang ang training day ni mami ang weekdays after mag-drop ng mga anak sa school, no? Okay, let's eat guys. Yummy yummy noodles. I got my coffee here. Let's eat.